Hello everyone, welcome to your channel. Today we want to learn new alphabet. It's so important in English that you read alphabet correctly. So let's start it. A B C D E F G H, not H, H I J K, not K, not K, not K, K L M N O P Q R S T U V W, not W, X Y Z. So let's make words with these letters. So let's start. You will know about it. A, apple. B, ball. I want to repeat it 2 times that you can listen it and repeat it with me. It's so important that you repeat with me, okay? C, cat. D, dog. E, eagle. F, father. G, girl. H, hat. I, ice cream. J, jump. K, okay? King. L, lamp. M, mother. N, not. O, orange. P, parents. Q, queen. R, rabbit. S, sit. T, table, table. U, umbrella, umbrella. V, them, sorry about it. W, window, window. It's W, okay? X, X-ray, X-ray. Y, yellow, yellow. Z, zoo, zoo. So that's it, and you should repeat it many times that you can say it correctly, and it's very important to know about alphabet. See you next lesson.